So this is my first 3D printer, it's the Anet ET4. I've just spent the last 10-15 minutes setting it up. It's relatively straightforward to put together. It comes in a few pieces and the instructions are pretty clear. I managed to get it together in just about 10 minutes, and at the moment it's just running through the automatic levelling process. So I'm going to let it do this, and I'm going to load it with the filament and give it a try and see what happens. Okay, so I've been reading a few things just about how to test that the levelling has been correct, and apparently the best way to do this is what's called a paper test. So after you do the auto levelling, you put a piece of paper on the bed of the printer, and you press OK, and you basically have to pull and see if it can be pulled by hand. If it can't be pulled by hand, it's too low. So what you do is you change the settings here, and you put it up 1mm at a time, or 0.1mm at a time, and try again. And you do that until you can pull the paper, but you can't push it back in. So I've selected the rabbit print, so we're going to see how this turns out. And it's just started its work just now. Now I'm under the impression that it takes a bit of time to do this, so I'm just going to show you briefly the start, and I'll take a couple of videos here and there as it builds up. Okay, so that's the base finished now, and it appears to be starting to build the actual model. Yeah, it's getting along quite nicely. So you can see the body of the rabbit now beginning to take shape.
So at this point I actually realised that there wasn't enough filament provided to finish the rabbit print, so yeah, we got half a rabbit out of it, but you can see there that it looks really smart. It's a good quality print and the printer's done